How's it going? This is Joe, Cosmic Gardens. This is my little potato field right here. And I was harvesting potatoes today. So let's go check out what we did. So this is the harvest today. About 12 pots full. Got about 8 or 9 potatoes from each pot. And then we'll slide over here. I was dumping the soil and the pot in here and collecting the potatoes so that I don't have to use the wheelbarrow, which I do sometimes, and it becomes very heavy. Then this is going to be recycled. So this goes into a pile to be recycled for next year. And then I've been throwing down the leaf part, which that will go into the compost. And then we'll have fully recycled and organic potatoes. Okay, here's the part where I put the container into the tractor bucket, teased out the potatoes, and I'm sure there's a few more underneath there. Well, these are the potatoes from one bucket. Thank you, Cosmic King, Cosmic Gardens.